In today's video, I am going to paint in this tiny sketchbook. In this sketchbook, I have decided to paint only in layers. You can also call it glazing. When the first layer dries, then only you can paint the other layer on top of it. So you can increase the layers upon one another. And I also somehow decided unknowingly to draw only landscapes in this sketchbook. So I have drawn objects related to landscapes like windows and also cityscapes and trees. I did not decide the color scheme for the painting initially, but I started to decide the colors after each layer. So here I am giving my first wash of ultramarine blue. It is really watery wash. You can barely see after it will dry. And I am using this beautiful Indian yellow for the trees, and after first layer dried, I painted the trees with this yellow color, and it will help to bring the freshness in the painting as the trees are distributed evenly in this visual. After trees, I painted the buildings with this ultramarine blue. This is the second wash on the buildings. So you can really see the difference now between the background and the objects. So here I have also started giving the third layer, which is for the windows and for the shadows. I decided the direction of light from the right side. Light itself is not visible in the painting, but you will see the shadows on the left side. Then I decided to give crimson red on some of the trees to show some variation, to show some trees in the back and some in the front, and to keep some fresh and to change colors of some of the trees. I am using only two types of brushes in this whole painting. The first one is this flat brush, as you can see, and another one is round brush, and it is also called a rigger brush. It has long hair, and the length of the hair helps with the control, as you can paint really thin and continuous lines with it. Here I have started with detailing here and there. I mixed ultramarine blue and burnt sienna together to get this dark color, which I have used for detailing with thin lines with this rigger brush. And here is the finished artwork. You can actually see the freshness of colors when I'm showing it up close. There are 10 more pages left in this sketchbook, so I'm planning to make videos of at least 5 of them. I hope you enjoyed the process of creating this tiny painting. If you liked the video, please give it a like. To keep on watching similar content and more colorful paintings, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.